Hey guys, you're Mark the Geek. In this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the Reolink Argus 2 camera that I've been using for over 6 months already. Now, keep in mind, I already did unboxing on these cameras and solar panel. I also show you guys how I installed it and my review of these cameras as well. But right now, it's been over 6 months later after using these cameras, and like you see on the video, I have it installed in the side of my house with the solar panel right next to it. And what's cool about these camera is that, of course, these are wired free. And yes, you can put down cameras together on the wall without any solar panel because they also have integrated battery as well. But you can also use the solar panel to charge them and keep them charged forever. And the reason that I'm actually doing this video and you see these two boxes, these two sets right here, is because I have an awesome giveaway for 2 lucky subscribers to my channel. So right now there's a sale going on right now on Reolink page. They send me 2 pairs of these Reolink Argus 2 cameras so I can give it away to 2 subscribers on my channel. Now on their website they have these cameras right now for 20% off. Normally they go for around 155. If you're gonna get like this combo right here, which is the camera with the solar panel, like 155 or 154.95. The camera by itself goes for around $130 or 129 something. Right now, if you hit the link in my description, you can actually get these cameras for 20% off during Christmas. I don't know when the sale actually ends. I've been using these for over 6 months already and I've been having no problem whatsoever. What's cool about these cameras is that not only do they record at 1080p, they're wire free and they have also rechargeable battery, but of course you can also access the camera's files using your smartphone. You have right here, I have the application, which is the Reolink applications. I have a couple cameras as well, like this one right here, which is my living room, and this one right here, which is the one that you see on this video recording right now live. Like you see that's the angle that I have on my side of the house, and it's pretty damn awesome and very damn clear. Of course, they are connected to the network, to my Wi-Fi, and I'm not even using a repeater, and it's pretty far away from my router. You can actually access any recording that has been going on using the application, and you could be anywhere remotely and access the files and see the files. And if you see a video that sounds suspicious, you can actually go ahead and download it as well by hitting the button right there, and it'll just go ahead and start downloading. So that's something really cool about this camera, that not only can you charge them using the solar panel, and you can also connect it to your Wi-Fi, but you can access these camera files live and the recorded files from your phone anywhere and download them to your phone. So that's pretty cool. So today is of course December 17, and the giveaway winner will actually be announced on the 28th, which is next Friday. Not this Friday, but the following Friday. And I'll upload a video, you know, sharing with you guys who was actually the 2 winners. So the winners are actually going to be picked the day before and will be announced on the 28th, which is a Friday. Now, to win these, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like the video, and also leave a comment saying that you want these cameras. Okay, just make sure you actually have that comment that you want these cameras, and you know, spread the word. They are on sale right now for 20% off, which honestly I think it's a totally great deal, because I always say a cheap camera is better than no camera, okay? But these cameras are not cheap. These cameras are great cameras, and I'm telling you guys, for 20% off, I think it's totally worth it when you consider that you're getting this with the solar panel. It should be for around 120 something dollars. Like I said, if you want to have a chance to win one of these cameras, just make sure you leave a comment on my video, like the video, and make sure you are actually subscribed to my channel, and I'll pick a winner on the 28th. And of course, hit the links in the bottom if you're actually interested on getting one of these cameras from Reolink, because there's 20% off. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and of course thanks to Reolink for making this possible. Till next time guys, bye bye.